Christmas last training session, we work on timing. Basically, to work on timing, you don't need to do any complicated stuff. We're just gonna focus on the vision, on sound, and the kinesthetic feel, okay? Vision, basically how the cube is rotating fast. Sound is just like a high-pitched sound or low-pitched sound, and the feel how individual person feels the shot. Okay, play the shot. And play low in the cubo, backspin. So it wasn't great shot, it was like a little bit punchy, make it softer. You have to feel that you are throwing the ball rather than punching the ball. So the rhythm is very important. Okay, so now Lucas played with less effort and got reaction. So compared to the first shot, how did the second shot felt for you?
So I felt that the first shot, I felt like I punched the ball. So I felt like I didn't get enough time to actually spin the white ball with my cue.
Yeah.
And on the other shot, I felt that I had a lot more time with the tip of the white ball's contact, so it had more chance to push and spin the ball.
How you can describe the feel when you hit the ball? Like when you do good, how does it feel in your hands? And when you do it not as good, how does it feel?
So what I felt is that the first shot, when I shot, it was three periods. When I touched the cue, it was free. When I punched the ball, it was hard, and then when the white ball escaped and my cue tip was chasing after it, it was also free. And on the other shot, it was free at the start, and I found that it was a bit harder because I was pushing the white ball.
Okay, very smart explanation, very well done. And now let's do in real practice and try to feel the shot. So as soft as you can, and get the cue ball touch the long rail. So, how was it for you?
I felt that I completed my shot very well, and when I finished the
Yeah.
and I touched my
I understand. Okay.
stomach with my hand.
Yeah. Now show to the audience on purpose what not to do, because that's important to understand what not to do, and then describe. So, what was here?
So I felt that this shot I would say, was also pretty decent, but I started feeling that the white ball after the first contact started to escape. Escape a little bit. So if I would have performed a worse shot, I would have had way worse spin.
Sure.
On the cue ball.
Okay, so now, since you explained it very well, now try to do as smooth as you possibly can in your own personal way, so you could feel the feeling of greatness, how you hit the ball for you personally. Okay, nice. Can you hit softer? Because I think you hit it a little bit too fast, in my opinion.
Yes.
Softer, more acceleration through. Slower backswing, this is like a little bit more detailed, slower backswing, and push through with softer touch. Wow, that was much better. Any difference?
So at that shot, I felt like there was I didn't feel any type of slowing.
Yeah.
I firstly hit the white ball. So at the other shots, when I hit the cue ball, my tip kind of slowed down.
Yeah.
Lost a lot of energy, so I couldn't spin that much.
Right. So when you play good, you feel in your own personal way that the contact with tip stays longer.
Yes.
Okay, I achieved this. So now Lucas is playing very well, and now it's just all about the habit to develop a nice action through. So it's good to intuitively understand that, but when you describe, it's even, oh yeah, that was nice. The backswing was nice, staying still was nice, technique was nice. Let's continue. So that's the first level. You play to the middle pocket. Nothing too difficult. You just have to feel the effortless power. Ronnie talks a lot about that kind of stuff, and I agree with him. Now let's play from the pink ball spot to blue. A very common shot. Maybe not on this spot, but to the left or right. It's okay. Okay, I'm just giving a reference for the audience. And as soft as you can for the blue. Okay, so that was hard. Too quick. Yeah? Make it softer. Even if you know what you need to chip, you still need to feel with your body and your senses how exactly to hit. And I think you're aiming too high on the cue ball, and that's why you're not getting that much zip. You see, psychologically, when the shot changes, the attitude changes, so you need to adapt mentally as well to the situation. So prepare. Backswing, hit. Wow. Great shot. Repeat. Last shot for the audience, and make it good, okay? No pressure whatsoever. Okay, I'm just joking. Just make it quality shot like you did last time, okay? Brilliant. And same feeling as you described. Yeah, like you feel that you use less power, correct?
Yeah. So I felt that I use less power, so I could have more time with the white on.
Yeah.
Time from the tip to the white ball, and also felt that my feathering was. I could feel it if I started feathering faster at the start and then slowed it down like.
That's your own personal way, correct?
And it was the opposite on the shot. I would start slower and then accelerate it.
Sure. Cool stuff. Thank you for your time. Precious advice for people all around the world and yourself as well. And I think now you probably understand the timing a little bit better with more understanding, correct?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Thank you for your time.